Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox entry point not found in the dynamic link library error. So let's begin. So here we are in our PC, and if you're receiving errors like this in Roblox, then I have the solution to give to you. So follow along to my solution and let's get to it right away. So the first thing that you need to do is go here into your start menu and type about PC, so that you will go here into about your PC in your settings. So you want to go here, and from here you would see an information about your PC, and you want to look for the system type just like this one, and you want to make sure you remember what system type you have. So in my case, I have a 64-bit or x64 based processor right here. So you want to remember that. Yours might have a 32, so you really want to remember your system type before we proceed. So after that, you may now close your settings, your PC settings, and the next thing we're gonna do is go into our browser, and from here you want to go here. So to get here, you want to go into google.com, and from here you want to search for Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2013. And after that, you would want to go here for the first link right here that would appear, and you want to go click on it. And from here, you want to go and select the language so that you can download. So in my case, I'll just be using English. So let's click on download. And from here, you would want to go for, depending on your system type that you have looked earlier, if you have a 64 right here, so you want to go for 64. And now we're gonna click on next right here, and as you can see, it's now downloading, and start download right here. And after that, you want to go in open folder, and from here you want to right click on that thing that you downloaded, this VC Redis _x64, and you want to run as administrator, and you're going to click on yes. And after this, you want to click on agree to the license terms and conditions. So you want to click on install right there, and you just want to wait for it to finish. And let's wait for it. And while that is waiting, let's just go minimize this right here and minimize this right there. And as you can see, it has now been successfully set up. So the next thing that we are gonna do is just close this one, and we're gonna go into our start menu and type in CMD, and from here you want to run as administrator right there, and you want to click on yes when you are prompted with a yes or no choice. And from here you want to type sfc /scan now without space, and after that you want to hit enter. And as you can see, it's now beginning system scan, and this process will take some time, and you'd want to wait for this to complete. As you can see, it has now been completed right here in the command prompt, and after this, all you have to do now is go and close the CMD, and from here you want to go into your start menu, and you want to restart your computer by clicking here on the power button and clicking on restart. And after that, you can see that your problem has been solved. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.